You want to see this look, how it was created? Keep watching the complete video and you will see this. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to do something that is very different. If you actually want to see what I am going to do, keep watching. I have not done one of those in a while, so I'm asking you please to keep watching because it gets good. I have something in mind and I just haven't done one of these full face fun makeup in a long time. So I'll start with the eyes so you can see what the eyes look like, but the rest of the face is going to be absolutely different. So I just use my Plain in Makeup by Yolanda eye primer. I'm going to create a purple look. I'm using Blend Bunny. They don't have this palette anymore, but they have these shades in other palettes. I'm going to do purple. I'm starting with this one first. What would you do if you were to lose your hearing? What would you do? I would like to know. If all of a sudden you wake up one morning and you could not hear anymore, what would you do? If I wake up one morning and I couldn't hear anything, I would sit on the bedside and I would cry because it's something unexpected. So I would cry, and I mean cry. And after I get a good cry, I would start thinking of ways to move around and do things and continue with my life without hearing. So in the comments, let me know what you would do if you wake up and you couldn't hear anything. I am playing with my lighting because I'm in a different location. Let me know if this video looks okay. It takes a while to kind of like get the lighting back and fix it here and fix it there. So each video I am playing with the lighting to see if I can get it together. So just in the comments let me know how the lighting look for you. Now I have that purple on. I am going into this light purple right here. It's a lilac. I'm going to take it and go right above to the brow bone with it. But that is what I would like to know. And I'm doing it in no particular order. I am just trying to get this section right here a little lighter. That's it. And then once I stamp it in, I'll be able to blend it afterwards. So let me know what you would do if you wake up one morning and you could not hear a thing. I am for today is one that was left in the comments. It says, I am determined to not be distracted nor discouraged by the things going on in the world. I am determined to not be distracted nor discouraged by the things going on in the world. How many of us are in this situation right now as we speak? There's so much going on, so much. I'm just doing windshield wiper on the color, on the two colors that I have right now. I'm going to put something in the outer corner. But I mean, it is overwhelming. It gives people anxiety. It takes away people's hope. It disturbs people's faith. And it is just crazy. What I would like you to do is, if what you're watching is causing you to get discouraged, watch less of it. Just don't stop watching it because you might be tempted, and then the anxiety of you not watching it might get worse. But watch a little less of it and pace yourself when you're watching it. Say watch half an hour, walk away for another 5-10 minutes, give yourself a break in between and do that. because none of us gonna stop watching the madness or the craziness or whatever it is that we watch that's doing that to us, but at the same time you can take care of it that way. So did you see how I blend all of this? And now I'm just going over it again with the lighter shade, the lilac color. But this is what it looks like. I'm going in the outer corner. Right now I'm gonna go into this purple and then I'll go into this one. I'm doing all purple right now. So outer corner. Just darkening that one. Can you see? Next one. And I'm just blending right on the bone right there, between the crease and the bone, just to make sure everything is looking good. One eye is bigger than the other, so remember that when you're making your when you're doing your eyeshadow. It will not come out exactly the same, but you want to be very close as possible. So this is this color right here. I need to go back in with the first color I use, which is a lighter purple, and I'm going to go right back there like this. Now that I have the purple on, there are two shimmers. This one right here, which is a purple with a dark undertone, and this purple right here, which has a blue undertone. So I'm going to go with the purple with the dark undertone first. I'm just going right here. If you don't have the Blend Bunny palette, pick a palette you have that have purples in there and you can use that. Now the one with the blue, I'm just going to take it and put it right here in the inner corner, because it is a blue purple. Purple with blue undertone. Let's correct that. You might have a Juvia's Place palette that have the same colors in there. You can use that. With the eye look and the rest of the stuff, I'm telling you, it is going to be a surprise when you see it. Now I'm taking the darkest purple and I already put it right here. I'm going to take it and put over here. It's an all purple affair. And you'll see why I did all purple, because like I say, keep watching, because the rest of the face is going to match with this purple I am doing. Now that I have all of this, I'm going to take the first brush that have no additional color on it. I am just going to play with this and just make sure this is smooth. And we will be coming back to do the face. Don't go away. Things are going to get very, very interesting. So keep watching. Keep watching. It gets good. I'm having fun with my makeup always, but this type of fun I love to do. But today I'm going to do it on camera because I've done it in a while. If you have made it this far, I appreciate you for watching. Remember to share this video. I'm putting primer all over my face. I just applied this primer all over my face. I am not using foundation. I am going to use an eyeshadow all over my face as a foundation. I'm going into Be Perfect. I'm going to use these two greens, and after that we'll see what else I will use. I'm taking this brush and I'm going to apply the green all over my face. This is going to take a while, but keep watching to the end, okay? So now it's just going to look like I have green foundation. I'm getting creative today. I love doing these kinds of videos. I used to do them often when I first started doing YouTube. I have a pumpkin one and I have a blackface one where I did the Africa, where I did the land of Africa. I use the different colors all over my face. I also have a white where I did a snow I also have a white where I did snow collab. We did a snowflake collab. So I have a couple of those around. I also have one where I did the Naruto makeup. So check that out. Now that I have the dark green on all over my face, I am going to take the lighter green and put it under my eye. So that'll be like my highlighter. I know it looks different, but it's fun when you can do that. That's like my highlighter, different shade of green for highlighter. For a blush, I'm going into Blend Bunny. They have a dark green right here. I'm going to use that as my blush. I hope you can see the difference. I hope it's showing up. Blush, no blush. Can you see the difference? No blush, blush. Now you see, I have blush. I'm going to also use it like a contour up on my forehead. So I have the darker green as my blush and my contour on my forehead. Now there is a sparkly green right here. I'm going to use it as a highlighter, and that one has a dark base, so let's hope it shows up. Might have to look for another green if this one don't show up, but we're gonna use it as a highlighter. Let's see, is it showing up? Okay, so that's my highlighter right here, which is a shimmer green with a dark base. And I'm putting it on my nose also. I am back with my full face of makeup. I use eyeshadow to create this look. The lipstick I use is the NARS. Everything else is eyeshadow. The darker green is my blush. Then I use a shimmer as my highlighter, purple eyes, different shades of purple including my brows. I brought some of the purple shimmer in the middle of my nose. The lighter green is as my highlighter, and this is my complete look. Love playing in makeup, love being creative. If you like this look, tell me what other colors I should do and I will do them. This is fun. I love it. I love it. I love it. Today's I am determined to not be distracted nor discouraged by the things going on in the world. I know it is very, very hard because there is so much going on so fast. Please take some time away from the TV, the phone, put it down, go outside if you're able to, or if you can't go outside, close your eyes and take a couple deep breaths, because it is important to detach ourselves because there is a lot going on. Take some time off, put the TV off and just relax. If you cannot stay away from the TV too long because you gain all worked up anxiety, put it on at 10-minute intervals. You watch for 10 minutes, you put it off for 10 minutes. Watch for 10 minutes, put it off for 10 minutes. But figure out a plan and a way to work around all of that madness going on around the world. But please disconnect from your phones, your TV, your computers, so you can regroup often. Okay, if you do that, you'll be able to balance it. But if you just have TV, computer, phone, then there is no balance. You need to shut those down, take some time, even though it's 10 minutes, and then get back to it. Because if you're away too long, you might get all panicky. So do that. Take small breaks. Remember, if you're suffering with mental illness, anxiety, depression, or any other ailment, seek help. Help is available for you. You just have to seek help. Never dim your light for another. Don't change who you are for somebody else. Be yourself always. It is the best way to show up in life. If you keep showing up as somebody else in your life, you need to switch that like now, because it is making you tired, it is making you sick, it is making you unhappy. So remember, showing up as yourself is the best you. So everything else you have been showing up for, ditch that. Show up as yourself, your imperfect self. None of us are perfect, we're all imperfect. But we show up as ourselves, and that's all we can do. I love you all. If you like this kind of makeup look, let me know. I will create some more. Let me know what other colors you want me to create. And until I see you, keep rising, keep shining, and I will see you in the next video. Subscribe. Bye bye.